Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Bullish Bears community. Hello, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well, ready for a good weekend. Kevin here with Bullish Bears with another live stream for you guys. Today we're going to be looking at the NASDAQ and the ES. We had a contract change last night, so there seems to be a quote-unquote gap on futures, although there is not. We had a contract change, so just make sure you guys adjust your contracts. And as we see, NASDAQ, we've had this range. ES, we've had this range. We are waiting to break. So NASDAQ is closer and came off of a demand zone down here where ES did not. I'm looking on ES. I want a 15-minute, some type of demand zone down here, but I'm not seeing any type of demand on ES under here, which, you know, that broke because of the news this morning, right? What news did we have today? Was it jobs or what was it this morning? Pretty sure it was job reports. Let's double check. Jobs report, yeah. So I'm going to look at how we react off of this 30-minute demand zone on the NASDAQ. I want to see if bulls want to come in and hold us. Then I'll maybe consider a long position. I want to see if bears will want to just drop us. I'm not going to short it out the gate. I'm not take any shorts here except for potentially an ES short position to target 46.10, which is about 20 points. So that wouldn't be that bad of a trade. Yeah, it's definitely weird though. I think Godo from our community pointed out that the Nasdaq with the micros, they don't have a gap up. Like they're not. Let's see. Like adjust for contract price, and it's just the same price. It's like 15,953 on the micros, and it's 16,160 on the minis. So definitely weird how that works. We got Sig sharing a post. Looks like he's a bit bullish on, what is that, ES? I can't even tell on that. But would love to break these ranges, right? So we're making some lower highs recently. Made another lower high with the news. See if we want to break back lower. We have been creating some higher highs. We did break these higher lows. We did break these higher lows and created a lower low right here. But if you are on the higher time frame and you're looking at that, that's still a higher low compared to this previous low. So the market is sort of squeezing right now. There's market open. Let's see how we react. Throw some trend lines out there. See if we got anything good. That one's a bit cleaner. They're the bears. Like I said, I'd maybe consider a short on ES, but I'm not shorting anything right now. Because we have NASDAQ coming off a demand. We have ES holding a key level. I mean, the chances of us breaking the supply zone could happen. There's some good buying pressure on equities right now, except for Tesla. There we go. Now Tesla too. All right, we might fly a bit. Some pullback. Let's wait. No reason to just jump on in and just stay patient, stick to the plan, and execute. What's going on, YouTube? You guys got any questions? You guys holler, let me know. Got any chart recommendations, questions, suggestions, anything? Let me know. Let's check our relative strength watch list. We have AMD at the top of the list for the strongest right now because it looks like it gapped up a bit. Let's see. Yeah, AMD gapped up just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Just about like $1, but it's already pulled back since then. Now we have Netflix at the top, which Netflix, look at that. Netflix with some strength right now, up $2 since market opened. Might not seem like a lot, but $2 move. You got a delta on that. You know, it's Friday too. 0 days. That thing moves crazy. And look, maybe we're in a range. Maybe we get the rejection up here, grab some puts up here on Netflix, and we drop. But that's a strong move. It's relatively stronger. Could see it popping and continuing. You know what I want to do? I want to add gold in here. So I could see when gold's relatively strong or weak. What's gold doing? Gold's just chopping and dropping. Chopping and dropping. Alright, let's check out our features. You guys got any questions again, let me know. The reason I pull up equities is because the reason I look at equities is because I trade NASDAQ a lot, and NASDAQ and ES as well, but mainly I want to trade NASDAQ, which is affected a lot by the equities. Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, Apple. Marcus on YouTube, what's going on, Marcus? He asks, what's the plan? Before I mentioned, you know, don't just jump in, gotta follow the plan. So the plan was, so there were a few things I liked. I like this 30-minute supply zone on NASDAQ way up here, which is about, sheesh, that thing's about 130 points away, which would call for a rally for us to get up there, right? So I'm sort of looking for a strong bull move, and I'm looking for equities to hold as well. And I want to break this zone right here, and I want to break and retest that zone to target the next supply zone. So I would look for a strong move up, retest, and then target up there. And I will look for a long position there, stop loss somewhere over here, take profit over here. Yes. So that's like one of the plans I look for. Right now equities are running into some selling pressure, so I'm just staying patient on the plan. So you see how that's my trade plan? If that's my trade plan, I'm not jumping in here assuming it's going to do that. Because if I jump in here assuming it's going to do that, and if it doesn't do that and it flushes on me, well then I'm going to be in a big loss that I just shouldn't be in. But if I have my plan, I have my entry point, my take profit, and my stop loss all planned out. I already know how much I'm risking and know how much I'm making on the trade. So that's also a benefit too. We got to react to the market. We don't move the market. Trying to see where we're at with the supply zone on ES. So right, we're chopping between a supply zone and a key level on ES right now, which tells me we're ranging before we probably get a big volatile move. A lot of selling pressure again, stepping into equities. You guys got any questions, let me know. Make sure we get some good trades in. Remember guys, market just opened, what time is it? It's 9:35. Market opened 5 minutes ago. If you're not in a trade, it's okay. There's no reason to rush into trades. Just gotta stay patient. I like the 30-minute candles, look good for a potential basing right here if we want to break higher for a demand zone. Would possibly consider a long position on the NASDAQ here. I'm not going to jump into it though. Stay super patient. Yeah, that's nice. But I'm gonna stay patient. It's not, my plan is up here, my plan is not down here. And the reason, again, for having plans is I don't know if it's going to do that, but I do know if it breaks like I'm anticipating, and we get the retest, which we usually get a retest before we continue a second leg on a trend, then I'm going to get that good entry for that second leg, and it's usually the second leg that gives us a really strong move too. But I also know if we fail it, there's a good chance we could go in the opposite direction, and I don't want to jump the gun on that. Equity's still looking good. I do like bulls over bears right now. Microsoft, nice buying pressure. Nice buying pressure. Apple coming into play. Microsoft, there we go. We might get a little spike here. Let's see, guys. But again, just got ES at supply. If ES wasn't at supply, I'd probably be jumping in some NASDAQ longs right now. But because this is at resistance and this isn't also sort of at a resistance, we are at a VWAP right now on the NASDAQ. And it did just have a longer wick on the previous candle. But I do still think buyers will want to take this. I'm looking at Apple. Apple's looking pretty weak, but it's keep trying to spike back. There we go, Apple. Boom, look at that, Apple. Probably going to feel that on NASDAQ now. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, man, it's keep getting sold off. NVIDIA's selling pressure. Ooh, Microsoft's batted down. Apple batted down. Oh, there come the bears. See exactly what I was talking about. That's why I don't jump in. I'm saying, oh, well, you know what? I plan to go long up here. Might as well get long down here. So when it gets up there, I'll have a tighter stop loss, make it break even, blah, blah, blah. Again, that's not part of my plan, though. My plan would have either been this demand zone down here, which would have been a news trade, which I don't trade the news, or it's going to be a break up here, retest, and I'll take the retest. But right now, getting into chop like this is not the plan. Chop is never the plan. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Appreciate it. Meta with some buying pressure along with Microsoft against buying. Apple trying to buy. But sellers just keep stepping in, swatting it down. NASDAQ under VWAP and chopping. Yes, near VWAP and chopping, but near a supply zone too. I'd only consider longs at this point, but I'm not taking any trades myself right now. Equities is just a little all over the place. Again, I do think buyers will want to step in at some point, but I'm not going to get into chop. I'm going to wait. Microsoft again with some buying pressure. Same with Meta. NVIDIA new high a day. Tesla new high a day. Nice NVIDIA pump. Apple trying to push back lower though. So again, we're getting some resistance at VWAP. Microsoft 2 getting batted down. See if buyers really want to push us. See where that volume's at. NVIDIA pumping right now. Really strong move on NVIDIA. NVIDIA's up about $3, $4 since market opened. That's a $4 move in about less than 10 minutes. That's crazy. Alright guys, let's see if buyers want to continue here. Keep failing. Again, I'd consider a long position here. I would not consider a short position. But I'm also not going to chase up here because this could also be the top of this very choppy range. Look at that. Look at the range. Chop, chop, chop. But that was a nice green candle. Again, I do think buyers will want to continue here. But I'm not jumping in front like that. I'm just not. There we go, NVIDIA. I sort of want to. I do like how ES forms, sort of a rally-based rally on that. If we start pumping, I'll jump in this. Nope, following the plan. Staying disciplined. Even if it looks good, guys, stay disciplined. Really no reason to jump the gun.
Kevin, you're really choppy.
Give me 1 sec.
Yeah, I thought it was me, but Kevin, you need to set your audio up.
No, yeah, I'm sorry about that. That should be good now. Look at that, guys. They're the buyers I was just talking about.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, there's something going on. Nice buying pressure. Exactly what I was looking for. See if we get continuation out of this.
happening again, Kevin.
Kevin. Because that's the music. You're playing music, Kevin?
No, there's a blender in the back. Give it a sec.
A broken vacuum cleaner. Broken vacuum cleaner, maybe?
It was a blender. Oh, wait. There you go. It was a blender. Sorry about that, guys. Should be good. They were asking. Testing, testing. Should be better now?
You're good
Yeah,
now.
much better.
All right.
Yeah, all good.
Alright, guys. Let's be patient up here. Alright, just need one more sec, guys. Alright, let's see. Buyers keep pumping. Buyers keep pumping. Good stuff, good stuff. Staying patient on this again, not grabbing longs down here, up here. Could have grabbed some down here, I did not. Very good move. I did say I would consider them though. Just because I don't get in a trade doesn't mean you guys don't have to. Jeremy seems like he's riding the trend. Minute 30 left. Getting a little selling pressure right here. See if it's time for bears to step in. Am I right? No, I'm just kidding. Definitely want buyers to just keep pumping us. Give us a nice rally. But we've already gone 60 points. And counting now. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. That's crazy. Holy cow. Well, we're coming up to the supply. So listen, if we don't break supply, then the plan's going to change. We're going to be shorting supply. People are going to be long right now. I'm going to be shorting that. We're going to be taking those trapped orders. Because I'm not going to lie, this was a bit of a choppy pot on the, for equities at least. Not Nvidia. Nvidia's just been pumping all morning. 24 seconds left. Gravy, wanna be my baby. Do, 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 do. Alright, like this. I like this push. Definitely like the push.
Yep, closed on NQ, man.
Look at this. Just keep going, baby. Nah,
I
don't
think we're
reject
gonna
yet.
pull back now.
Don't reject yet. We could keep going a little bit. Give me that supply, my guy. Ah, boo. Yeah, equities with a pretty sharp move lower. Time to trap some chasers.
That's probably gonna do that play of what is it called? The bars, spinning bar or something?
Yeah,
Bar,
yeah. Bar spinning bar.
whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Or are we just gonna dump it?
I know, I was thinking that too. We're at a trend line on ES right now. Look at that drop. Maybe this will be the plan. Let's see.
I mean, I got screwed on a short yesterday, so I'm still trying to make up that loss, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, I know the past week it's been a rough one, man, but that's alright. Market does that. The market will do that.
The funny thing is, like, when you haven't had a loss in a while, it kind of shakes you, you know?
It does.
You go like,
It feels different.
holy crap, what happened, you
Like
know?
if you're coming off of a
Are
win
you
streak.
doomed?
Yeah.
Because that's how I felt yesterday. I'm like, every trade I took went against me, and I'm like, what the?
Yo, yeah. Dude, those days happen to everybody. As long as you're sizing right, it's okay. But nah, those days happen because that's the market. Because again, the market will trade differently for everybody all the time. So whatever works for you, at some point the market's gonna shift some way, and whatever clues it was giving you before that you were taking that were working are gonna stop. And that's exactly what the
Yeah, I mean,
market does.
sizing and cutting losses, I'm good at that. The problem is that when you do it one time, two times, three times, four times, and by the sixth trade, you're like, what the F? I'm at
Yeah,
my max loss for the month, and you go like, no way, I can't trade anymore. So I just
yeah.
sat on my hands for the rest of the day.
Yeah, no, I hear that. Again, again that happens, man. But you know what, too, though? That's just a reminder to us that we gotta cash out sometimes. Like when we are up, like when we're having good weeks or whatever, cash out, put it in the bank, and start from point blank again. Because those
Yeah.
days will happen, and we do have to secure those profits. Nice selling pressure. I really like that.
Oh, look at that. Is that the moment? Come on. Or is this just gonna
That's what we've
fake
been
us out right
waiting
now?
for.
Whoosh.
Now, I wonder if we bounce from this area of interest.
I'm looking at 15,990 for a if we go back there, we might see a bounce.
Low key
But
wanting a long position right now, but I'm not. It's no way. Never mind. Bears on equities are crazy. Apple dropping away. Apple's close to new low a day too, but holding. Oh, close, holding, close, holding. Oh, pop on Apple.
yeah, this pause right here at 16,000 is not good.
That's what I'm saying. 16,200 right now on NQ.
Oh yeah, I see that 16,208. I got both charts going on, but I'm still in the old NQ.
Got you.
Yeah, I haven't switched yet. I mean, I got the pattern is the same. They're running exactly the same way.
Yeah, look at
Just,
those bears.
look at
Nice.
that bot. You just got bought.
It's just yeah, it just trap people and now it's gonna pop again.
I
Oh,
know. I was thinking about clicking my short right there, but maybe I'm still gonna do it because
I'm waiting for a long position. I'm waiting for this candle to close on the 5 minute to get a long position. Cause
we bounced at
ES
the
is dancing
VWAP
on a pivot
close of
point.
yesterday, so I don't know, man.
we'll see. What was that? Somebody say something?
ES is dancing on a pivot point.
I'm gonna grab a long position there.
Was that a bull flag for
I know
build
that's
on
what
the
I'm
190?
saying, and I like NQ on the
Eh,
5 minute. Apple getting some buying pressure, coming back up. Nice, guys. Look at that. Huge. Let's go. Let's go. Boom, quick 10 points right there on NASDAQ. I'm still in these. Be careful for any
mm,
traps. Looking at the 5 minute, looks ready to continue though. Yeah, I really like that 5 minute candle.
we're going down.
I just said never
No.
mind. Now we're going up. Gonna grab a few more contracts. Nah, Apple, don't do it. Don't do it.
I wish the dome for NQ was as easy to read as a dome for yes. I mean, you look at yes at 45.95. It's like tons of sellers over there.
Yeah. Come on, give us that pop. Give us that pop. Let's go. Let's go.
ES has a previous high day target at 45.96.
Oh,
So
ES
it
at that.
looks like we're running for that.
Yep, a pretty large number of sellers all the way there.
I'm gonna look to scale out of a couple contracts just to lock in some gains. But I do want new high day on Nasdaq. Oh, nope. Huh.
There comes the dump.
Said nope. No way. Nah, dude, I don't know. Boo.
Yeah, right back to your entry, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's right, we're chilling. I still got faith in these
I could,
bulls right
I could
now.
tell.
Ooh.
That's exactly what's happening right there.
Ooh. What a nasty little drop there. Oh, shit. Market wants that pain zone.
The problem is the volume is so low today, man. Especially in the contract you're on is about 100, you know,
Yeah, it's shot
100
right
of them.
now.
You know,
Alright, I'm
it's like,
exiting that long. I'm exiting that long. It's not working out. Yeah, equities are weak. Gold's trying to go up. VIX trying to go up. ES at this like area up here. I sort of like ES short.
all right, peak it or break it moment right now.
Maybe try an ES short here for a little scalp. See if we get a drop.
There you go. Make it
There you
or
go,
break it, break.
Nasdaq.
$15,990. Come
Nice
on.
drop on
15,990.
Nasdaq. Let's go. Come on, ES. Time to follow suit.
And we're back into the squeeze.
Good stuff. Good
Watch
stuff.
for watch for a little bounce right here, probably. Small little bounce. Yeah. Back
How'd
to
you know?
16,000. Huh?
How'd you know?
Because I'm looking at that squeeze I got. So,
That's cool.
and if you
Nice.
compress the time frame, you see that that was, an area where we found some support there before.
Right. Alright, I'm out of those. There's a quick scalp on ES shorts.
All right, we're going into the middle of the
Alright, I wonder if we
squeeze.
bounce here. Let's see. A lot of people would be trapped here if we decided to bounce. A lot of people stopped out of long positions on this drop. A lot of people jumped into short positions on this drop. Would not be surprised. Apple bouncing back into its range right now. Nope, Apple selling weak again. Yeah, I see what you're saying about the volume. Super shot today. Oh my goodness. Crazy low today. Look at that quick pop. I feel like we go up from here because we didn't hit that supply zone this 1 hour. But because these are new zones, because they did the contract change, I don't want to, play with that or quote unquote gamble on it. So we're just going to stay patient on this, guys. Yeah, it's some good selling pressure too. So again, I don't want to be getting in the wrong trade. Be silly. Definitely thinking of grabbing some NQ shorts here. But, just the way Apple's looking. But we'll be patient. Yeah, Apple wants new low day again. Other equities are. I'm grabbing a short. I'm going Nasdaq short here, guys. Apple, brand new low day. Apple's selling off like crazy right now. Nasdaq should be dropping. The fact that it's struggling is crazy. Yo, Apple made a nasty drop. Microsoft looks weak too. So does Meta. So does Tesla, Nvidia. Come on, Nasdaq. Time to feel that. Feel the pain. Guys, when I mention pain in the market, understand that I'm talking about people's stop losses. Maybe people's take profits. Because pain is wherever those stop losses are, because that's where people are stopping out of their positions. Good selling pressure again. I'm staying with these shorts right now on Nasdaq. I do feel like we should have another push lower. Nice, good drop. Good stuff, good stuff. Staying patient. I got about 230 left on this 5-minute. Bouncing on Nasdaq. Equities are bouncing at the moment. I'll probably, definitely considering scalping out of this on the next drop we get. Like right here. But I'm not going to. Nice. Oh yeah, obvi not taking any long positions here. Would be crazy to do that. Thinking of adding to the short position here. Yeah. Really good selling pressure. I want to see that continuation on Nasdaq. It's bouncing back though. Bouncing around. Minute 20 left in this 5-minute. Check out what the 15 looks like. Check out what the 30 looks like. I'm going to want this 5 to close. Let's try to push down a bit. Let's get that 30 to close as a basing would be dope. But it's trying to have the 15 close as a basing, which would be bullish. So again, just be careful. Getting some volatility kicking and getting some buying pressure on equities right now. Careful on the shorts.
News in one.
What was that? News?
Yeah, Michigan.
What time is it? Okay. Thank you. I'm stopping out of that, guys. Not being in a trade when there's news. Yeah. Yeah.
News, make it or break it.
Look at this pop. Glad I got out
Went
of
to the
that.
moon.
There we go. See if we want to break that now. Come on, give me that break. Let's go.
Wow.
Huge, huge. Glad I got out of that. Holy cow.
Wow, that was a big price gap right there from the closing of the previous candle, man.
From what time frame?
On the 5, look on the 5 minutes.
I see ES a little bit.
Now there's the close of the doji candle to the next opening. That was a big gap. According to Allbrooks, that's a continuation, and we should go long. But
Yeah, I
I
agree.
don't know.
I think we go long, but I'm not. I'm definitely not.
I can't risk some capital at that high right there.
Yeah, same. At this point in the week, that's a big no. The 1 minute looks like it wants to keep going, but this is again why I don't watch the 1 minute. I really want that break above this demand zone.
We took out those prior day highs on the ES.
Nice. Did we? Where we at? Nice. Cool. Cool. Divergence. Oh, wait. Yes. NQ did not reach yesterday's high. Microsoft, big selling wick. Check that out. A lot of sellers just got trapped. Break new high today, rejected. Nvidia, nice pump. Tesla, nice pump. Oh, equities. I feel like buyers want to continue here. Guys, this game's boring. No, I'm just kidding. Candle to close. We got 2:30 for this 5 minutes to close, and because it was a news candle, it's really unpredictable. So let's just stay super patient because we just took out Nasdaq pre-market highs, just took out ES yesterday highs. I think it's just not looking too good right now. It's not that it's not looking good. It's just looking again unpredictable. We had a big spike, a big drop in the VIX. We had big spikes on Nasdaq and ES because of the news. 1 minute looks
I
like it
just
wants to.
posted that price gap I was telling you about
Oh,
earlier.
let me see. Got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird on the
So
on these. It doesn't have that price gap.
if we are looking at
I think buyers continue here.
if we're following any Albrooks, that means buying. But man,
Alright, I just scalped along on that. Literally just like a quick 2 points. Had to get a trade done on that account. Minute 10 left. Staying patient. YouTube, you guys got any questions? Let me know. Farahi, appreciate you letting us know about the news at 10 as well. Love that community that works and trades together is a community that grows together. I'm a firm believer in that. Anything we can do by ourselves, we can do much better together. See if buyers want to step in again. I don't know. I mean, they're looking good on equities. A little bit of a pullback on equities. There we go. That might be the pump we want. Oh my god, that's not what I wanted. Oh my god, I just bought the wrong thing. Yo, I passed an eval account, and I meant to trade micros on it because I just had to get the one trade done, and I just traded minis on it. Now it's not passed. It's really funny. Alright, give me the retest.
woof.
Go long there for a second, and we'll get right out. Just give me a quick little spike. Let me pass that again. Oh my god, that's so funny.
Okay, let's go.
Give me a quick spike up. Quick spike up. Oh my god, it's gonna drop. That's so funny. Dude, that's hilarious. It's actually really funny. Now, that was the retest I wanted. We'll get it. We'll go back up for a sec. Oh, I just need it to move like 3 more points and I'm back past on that. Okay, there we go.
I'm sorry, so you're looking for a retest and going to go long?
No, I just got in on this retest right here. I wanted to break and close above this zone. I got in longs here. This would be where your long positions would be and you would hold to go long. And we're targeting this next supply zone up here. Dude, I can't believe that just happened. That was
270,
ridiculous.
25. 16, 270, 25. Come on up. Come on.
That was really funny. That was like...
Or if you're in the old contract, 16066.
Buyers want this. See, we got that bottom tick entry on those longs. Let's go buyers. Let's go buyers. Let's go bulls. Let's go, baby. Probably gonna see continuation. Like that like that ES. I like that.
16,
ES coming up
270.
near a supply zone though. Be careful. Like that NASDAQ pop. Super nice. Let's go. That was dope. Nice, nice. Keep going.
460
Let's
spot.
go. Yo, this entry right here was huge. Huge. Oh my god. 30 points on that. Love those.
All right, targets hit.
Love those. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Buyers keep wanting it. Keep going. One more pump. Nice. Apple's still going. NASDAQ might feel another pump here. Meta new high day. All these equities new high day. Love it. Oh my god, so nice. Nice. Good stuff. Hope you guys caught that. Hope some of you guys caught that. YouTube, hope you guys caught it. Microsoft meta new high today. We might feel another pop, guys. I'm not getting in this right now. Getting in up here would be crazy because like where's your stop loss at this point? If you're scalping, sure, get in, get out, but not doing that. Because this thing's gonna want to stop hunt real quick.
Remind me the yellow again on your chart. What's that?
The yellow here. Which yellow? Hello?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I must be looking at the wrong thing. I went to your watch list and saw a yellow thing posting. Let me do more research. I'll get back with you.
Sure, sure. Send screenshots if anything. Yo, this pump is so nice. The pump that keeps pumping. Could have gotten that VWAP too. That would have been insane. It would have been a 100-point move, guys. Oh my goodness. Damn, bro. Alright, we're coming into some major support resistance though on ES. If we break right through it, then bulls are just gonna keep flying. Oh my god. That's insane. Holy cow.
ES pivot point 4604.75.
Wow, look at this. Oh my god. That's absolutely insane. New 5-minute candle opened. Probably feel some pullback. Would not be surprised. Should feel pullback, really. But I also wouldn't be surprised if we popped first, tried to turn green on the candle, then pulled back. Yes, looking like it wants a new high a day again. Equities are weak though. Not a single equity is green on this current candle. And now Nvidia is about to be Yep, Nvidia new high a day. Yo, Nvidia's been flying all morning, guys. 468, It opened at 466. It's at 475 right now. $10 move. I mentioned it when it was at about 470. Crazy stuff. I told you guys earlier too, I really liked that supply zone up here, and I wanted us to go see that. And what do we need? We need a news to go see that. Considering a long position. I'm not gonna do it. I don't know. I'm shooken up from this week, guys.
Next ES target high is going to be the previous week high at 4607.75. So 4608 would be the target.
Yeah, my dog loves barking at the TV when they make whistling noises or something. She's the brightest. I think buyers might want to continue here. I'm not getting in. Lucy. Wow. The same commercial just came out back to back. She's barking again. Alright, here are the buyers. Oh. No, Apple. Ooh, Apple with a fake. Got him. Apple said got him. Tesla big drop. The NQ post on the watch list has a yellow zone. Oh yeah, you know what? That one. That was like a 1 hour at some point somewhere. This one right here. That was just like an area of interest because I wanted to see. That was when I was adjusting the contracts and I was messing around with the old zones and new zones, and I wanted to see how reliable the other previous ones were, and they were, and that's how I was doing with that yellow zone. Because I saw this was a supply zone, we broke it, and then we got the retest, which was the trade setup.
All right. Thank you.
Gotcha. Yeah, guys, I'm telling you, supply and demand is a cheat code. But you don't just need supply and demand and boom, you're going to be consistent. You need discipline, you need risk management. But yes, supply and demand is a huge key and plays a huge role in my personal success with trading and a lot of traders' success with trading. It's supply and demand, guys. I mean, I'm not saying institutions trade it like we do because they sure as hell don't. They're the ones making all those huge orders and huge moves. But supply and demand is something that's used in every kind of market. Stock market, real estate market, fish market, bed market, any type of market. Supply, demand, bid and ask. That's what it's all about, baby. I want to see where this candle closes. If we get a rally and this bases, I'm taking this thing long. We might pop, though. Damn. Nah, close red, close red. Small red body. Yeah, see, I'd consider a long position now. We'll see. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of this one. Alright, lightly. Yeah, I don't know. I don't trust this. Stay patient. I want a strong pop. Needs to break that previous candle ASAP. Struggling. Microsoft's, come on, Microsoft, pull us up. Come on, equities, let's go, let's go. There we go. Come on, equities, pull us up, pull us up. Let's go, buyers. Let's go, baby. I'm looking for the supply zone up here. There we go. Nice, nice. Nice. Let's go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
And there is the prior weekly high on the ES.
Nice. Struggling right now. Oh, there we go, ES. There we go, ES. A few points away from my target on NASDAQ. Alright, I'm all out there. That was a nice trade. A needed trade. A well-needed trade. Gotta wrap up those losses with the dub, you guys know.
I
But
just
now,
scalped
I'm thinking we might, I don't know. We'd be patient. Somebody say something, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I just scalped like 80 bucks off that.
Hey, there we go. That's what I'm talking about, Victoria. Good stuff. Now I'm thinking a lot of people are going to be long up here. And there's a supply zone right here that I liked. There is a ES broke a supply zone, which I do like when we break supply zones and reject too, because that's also a bit of a liquidity grab, because a lot of people were watching this level to break. So I'm going to wait for this candle to close. If this candle decides to give me some type of rejection candle, I'm going to take some short positions. However, if this candle decides to just rally, then I'm not going to take any short positions. But this is the setup I'm looking for right now. Yo guys, don't forget Apex 7, a 71% off sale. Use code BullishBears for 71% off. Use that code even when they don't run that sale, because if they have any sale running, you'll get whatever best sale is running when you use that code. So make sure, I know I use it because, well, obviously it's Bullish Bears, but because it does help, because I don't have to worry about, oh, well, is it save 90 now? Is it save 71 now? Is it save 80 now? It's just Bullish Bears and it'll give you the best sale. Plus, they told us I could let them know when Bullish Bears, we have our anniversaries and stuff. And we could get, like, when they're 50% off, Bullish Bears coupon will be 75% off, which is really cool. I'm thinking of grabbing a short position here.
What are you guys using Apex for?
Apex Trader, they're a funded trader platform. So basically, you buy an evaluation account, and when you pass the evaluation account, you pay for a funded account. And when you get that funded account, you're able to withdraw profits from it after hitting a certain point. Yeah, I really like shorts.
Excellent. I'm assuming they are legit if you guys are recommending them.
Yeah, I like them. I've used them before. I'm using them now. I mean, I just requested. They just what's it called? They just put through my 2K. They do requests twice a month between the 1st and the 5th, and the 15th and the 20th, and they usually pay out within like a week or two. So usually on like for the 1st through the 5th, it'll pay out on like the 10th or the 13th or something. But yeah, no, they're dope. They're dope. I like them. A lot of people use them. A lot of people make a lot of money with them. They've done millions and millions in transactions. And what it is a lot of people are like, oh, well, you know, how are they profitable if they're giving out millions and millions, blah, blah, blah. But the thing is, Apex Trader, they have really good traders that they copy. And when they copy trade those good traders, they copy trade them with thousands or hundreds and thousands of contracts. So if one trader is making consistently 50K a month, they're going to copy trade that trader for 500,000 that every month, or even $1 million if they wanted, to be honest, because they have that ability. They are monitoring our accounts, they're monitoring who's funded, they're seeing who's consistent. When they see consistency, they will duplicate that account with their own profits, with their own size, and they have a lot heavier size than we do. So they are making money. So they're not a scam. They're regulated in the US. They're good. They're not a forex one. There's a lot of forex brokerages and funded platforms that are like super fishy, but Apex is a really good one. We've done a webinar with them if you want to check that out, and we go over all the details, what it is you need to do for them, how to pass them and stuff. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Check it out. I'll post the link.
Thank you. Post that, please.
Gotcha. And who was that? Anthony?
Yes.
What's going on, man? Welcome, welcome.
Thank you for the wisdom on that.
Got you. Got you. And I'm currently working on a video. I showed them earlier this morning before everybody else tuned in. I'm working on a video called Apex Trader Funding Tips and Tricks for like how to pass the accounts and stuff. And that's going to be a good video because I'm going to be giving like sizing recommendations and stuff and what to look for in trades, how to trade it, you know, when to trade it, when not to trade it, stuff like that. Just like ways to help you guys succeed and move forward with it. Because a lot of people, the thing is, and for example, I'll be quick with this, Apex, you know, you look at those accounts and, you know, 50K accounts, 100K account, 250K account. And you're like, oh, okay, I could trade a bunch of, if I'm getting a $150,000 account, I could trade like 20 minis. I could make so much money in a $10 point move. 10 minis, $500 a point, making $5,000 on ES. Okay, I'm going to just heavy size. But the thing is, they have a trail stop. So when that trail stop is activated, we really can't trade with heavy size like that until we get funded. But once we do get funded, we're able to grow the account past the trail stop point and grow a thicker cushion on the account so we could trade heavier size. And what's dope too is when you pass the account, you pay a one-time lifetime fee for the account. But that's it, no more fees, no monthly fees or nothing. You keep that account, and you can take payouts twice a month. Really, really cool stuff. First payout maximum is 2,000, but then after that, I don't think there's a max. And you just gotta like not be a what's it called? Like a gambling trader. They keep an eye out for people who like only trade news events and stuff. Guys, I'm thinking of a short position here on NQ. Because we're rejecting the supply zone, but I want to be patient. Expires still have been strong. That was crazy that happened before. I meant to get micros and I got minis. Let me just accidentally get 10x the size. There we go. Nice pop. I want a pretty strong pop into like the middle of this zone, and then a rejection candle would be great. Oh, 20 seconds left. Never mind. Never mind. Guess what we're not getting? Met a new high a day. Nvidia failed its new high a day. There's a pop. 5 seconds. Nope, it's just gonna keep popping. Bulls want it. I'm telling you guys, I'm feeling these bears right now. But I'm not fighting the trend just because I think it's gonna do something. I'm not trading because I think it's gonna do something. I trade off reaction. I trade off reacting to the market. This thing is gonna dump though. Just saying. Yeah, Apple's like jumping off the roof right now. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Nice drop. I would have taken that if I had a few more accounts going, but I'm taking it light this week. New minute, new drop. Damn. Keep going, baby. Keep going, baby.
ES pivot point.
Yeah, boy. Nice drops. Good stuff. Just saying, I feel like we're dropping from here. Nice pop, nice pullback, good stuff. I am currently not in any trades, just so you guys know. I like to keep you guys posted. Probably wait for this candle to close, the 5-minute, and see what's up from there. Because when this 5-minute closes, the 15 closes as well. And currently the 15 could be a basing. And if that's the case, this would be the setup.
The ES 15 candle looks like an exhaustion candle.
Don't they all? No, I'm just kidding. They're all exhausted candles. They all need a nap. I like ES is trying to hold up on this right over here. What's going on, YouTube? You guys got any questions, let me know. Don't forget, check out those Apex accounts. Use code BullishBears for 71% off. Are we? I thought we had a rising wedge. I think I'm seeing things. Why is that so light? That's why it's so light. Nah, rising wedge would look something like that. But we don't have any candles down here. Like, I guess sort of, but not really. I'm always looking for some type of price action, some type of chart pattern, something to tell me what is going on. We'll keep this here for a moment, see if that does want to play off. If it does, it'll look something like this at some point. Minute left in this 5-minute. Buyers stepped back in. Microsoft near new high a day. Meta made a new high a day. Tesla new high a day. And now Nvidia new high a day. So buyers came back. Let's see if they really want it or if it's just going to be a fake. Meta rejecting off new high a day. Just dropped 30 cents from its high a day. Nice rejection, nice rejections. Sort of want to grab a short here. I'm not going to. So tired. If I grabbed a short here, my stop loss would be super tight. But I'm gonna stay patient, because why wouldn't I stay patient? I like that for shorts, but I'm probably not taking this. Buyers have been pretty strong. If we didn't break this previous supply zone, I would take it short, but we did. Now there's a chance we chop around up here and then pop. What's the 15 looking like on the close? 15 looks like it could be a basing on ES. Nope, not much of a long wick on the bottom on that. Looks like a rejection candle on ES. Give me a little push, a little pullback, and I'll grab a short. We'll grab one short position on NASDAQ. I'm not gonna pull back. Come on, pull back. Bounce with me, bounce with me. Bounce with me, bounce with me. Bounce with me, bounce with me. Could you bounce? Yeah, this has to be the sell-off. I'm in some shorts. Probably a bad entry, but selling pressure.
What's
looks
your
okay.
target on the shorts?
Would be VWAP. No, I'm sorry. 16,250. We're in NQ. 16,260 is that area of interest. That would be a nice target. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So nice. I short it twice. Nice, nice. Nice. Equity's trying to bounce. Not nice. No. So I'm going to look to scale out of this position for a scalp. If we get one more quick drop. The reason for that is because, yeah, look at that. See that? Buyers could be trapping us. We could have broke that range just for a quick liquidity grab for us to go higher. So I'm waiting on equities to give me a sign that we're either reversing or we're staying short. If we stay short, I will get another short position. Apple's pushing green on this candle. Back to pushing red. I need equities to start selling off again. I will grab another short position. Without that, I will get out of this short position. There we go, some selling pressure. I am not getting in another short position. We are too choppy. I don't see consistency yet. I don't like it on the 1 minute. Looks like you might want to flag and push back higher again. Again, though, this is why I don't like the 1 minute, because of all the different types of just fake signals it gives. Because every other candle is a signal, and it's like that's not conducive. That's when 40% of these candlestick patterns fail. When you're trying to force 90 of them. If you stay patient on a higher time frame and wait, you're gonna get a better one. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this position somewhere down here. Minute 23 left. No, I'll stay patient on this. See if sellers want to let it pay off. Do you have the time to listen to me, short NASDAQ? Because it owes me some money. Yeah, let's go. Getting out right there. I'm getting out into strength, guys. And again, I'm trading a little more conservative lately because I have to bring this account back. But trade at your pace. Trade what you can, trade what you know. If that's not your take profit, then you stay in the trade. If you're okay with it either running to break even, running to your stop, or to take profit, good for you, stay in that trade. Again, I wanted to lock in some profits. Could have let it run. It is what it is. The account did get a little washed, so I have to trade very lightly. And that's it. And that's it too, guys. You know, if something happens to an account, you take a big loss, you know, something happens, we can't just instantly just like give up. We can't instantly be like, oh, that's it, I'm full porting this account, I'm just going to blow it right now. Can't do that. We have to still take it calm. We have to trade it like it's still around, which the account is. We can make it back. Size smaller. Take it slow. Get back on track. Hit a few winners. Get some consistency back on track. And then get back on the heavier side. If you start losing and you were in a win streak and you take 2-3 losses, downsize immediately. There's zero reason to give back everything you just made on your win streak because you got a little undisciplined and aggravated and blah, blah, blah. Look at that. See that? Look at that. Right to that take profit. Right to that level. That was perfect. But I got out way too soon, right? But that's okay. It is what it is. Not stressing. I got out. We wicked it. We're ticking off of it. Look at that. But let's see. Bears do look strong. Go Bears, go Bears, go. Oh my goodness. That's insane. Now I'm definitely no, I'm just kidding. Good selling. Good grief, Charlie Brown. This would be the second take profit, this area in here. Because now I'm looking for us to hold down here. I want us to now trap these sellers. That's all the market's about. Market just cares about one thing: taking your money, hitting your stop loss. Enter where others are stopping. Exit where others are entering. Don't be the liquidity. Alright, now we check in the 1 minute, right? We're bouncing out of this area of interest. I want us to hold, come retest, make a higher low on the 1 minute, and we'll see how that forms on the 5 minute, and we'll take that back long. Set this puppy up. I do want it to test this zone in here. Nice. Yeah, just like that. Yo, let's go. Holy cow. Wow. Wow, let's go. Oh yeah, Apple dropping, Microsoft dropping, bears, bears, bears. Let's go. Huge drops. It's funny, at this point right here, I'd consider a long position with a tight stop loss. But I'm not. That's crazy. I'm not crazy. Not anymore. No, I'm just kidding. 15 seconds left. I want this 1 minute to pop back up, but it's not. 10 seconds left in this 1 minute. 2:10 left in the 5 minute. There we go, Apple. Bounce back up. Bounce with me, baby. Bounce. Nah, bears want it. Bears want it. Bears. Continuation. There's a drop. There's a wick. Apple trying to bounce. If we hold this area, I'm really looking for this candle to close somewhere up in here. Up in there, up in there. Sorry. Alright, I want a quick drop and then a quick pop back up. Let's get a little volatility in here. Let's trap some people. Woo! There's the drop. Now pop back up. No, pop back up. Like upwards the other way. Maybe we get a VWAP. 50 seconds left in this. Yeah, it's not looking good for them longs. Really wanted a strong bounce. Really need buyers to step in here and just go crazy. Gotta remember too, if buyers did step in here, look at all those sellers that would be trapped, left in the dust. $20 seconds left in the 5 minute. Bears are looking strong right now. Good volume picking up though. Always look for good volume on candles. Look at that volume on ES too. 10 seconds though. Does not look like we're getting the bounce I was looking for. 5 seconds. Not getting the bounce. Ooh, I like that though. So I might look for a rejection of VWAP. Because that's what we got yesterday. Yesterday we got a really nice VWAP retest.
ES pivot point at 45.91.
Nice. I still do like where we're holding. I could see bulls taking it here. We closed above it. We're trying to push. I want to see a push up, come back, higher low. And yeah, that rising wedge did end up working on ES, which is pretty dope. Always dope when something works out. Am I right or am I right? Apple trying to pull back. Equities trying to do their best pullback impression. What's VIX doing? VIX has been trying to move higher.
I'm looking at 15,995 on the December NQ contract, so we can close that big gap
Which
from the
gap?
news.
Oh, the news
The one
gap.
that I posted earlier, the price
Oh, so
gap
like
on the news,
VWAP? Or where VWAP
and that's
was
gonna
back
be
then?
below VWAP then.
Yeah. But like the
So we're
950 candle, the close of the 950 candle.
yep, look like we're yep, that 957
Yeah.
candle, whatever that is.
Yep.
Yeah.
See that guy? See, he just said what he was looking for, and even though he's got a different chart because he's on the December contracts, I knew exactly what he was talking about. Because you just got to understand how to read the charts, how to talk the charts. You got to sort of see it, really see it as a second language. We speak Wall Street. Bears look like they might want it on the 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, like that, Bears, exactly. Still wait, though. Not jumping any guns. That could be the higher low, though. Oh, I like that apple pump. Let's see. Oh, boy. And batted down. 2:11 left on this candle. We're staying patient on this, ladies and gents. 15-minute, what are we looking at? Look at that rejection candle. That's exactly what I was looking for on the 15th. Push lower. Really, really clean stuff. Now this is the hourly looking. Ooh, yo, the hourly candle. Holy cow. If we could close below, oh man, that's super bear. Super bearish. If this 1 hour candle closes below 16,236 on the NASDAQ or 16, I'll put a trend line out there. That's what I want. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I want to close below 16,238. YouTube, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Microsoft selling off again, but at VWAP right now. Equities bouncing around. Apple trying to push higher. Apple's trying to push higher, but not on much volume. Look at the volume on this candle right now, right? So this is a strong volume on the selling, and then light volume on the buying. Low-key thinking of some longs on the NASDAQ still. See that? See how it played that zone? See how it played that level? Damn. Damn. 30 seconds left. Checking out the 1 hour, checking out the 40, 30, 15. I don't know. I'm still bearish. Let this candle close. I'm hoping there's a trap and we wick right back down. But buyers are actually stepping in here. Look at you, buyers. You go. See, we made that higher low that I was talking about and we started to pop. Would be nearly 20 points already on NASDAQ. But I don't trust this. 5 closed. I don't know. I'm leaving it alone.
If you get another higher low, would that be good?
Yeah. But I don't think we're gonna get that. The equities look like a drop-based drop. There we go. So there's that buying pressure. Really need good volume here, too. Again, look at the volume on this previous. No, this candle had more. There we go. I'm sort of watching Microsoft at the moment. I want Microsoft to start popping. Would also like this equity thing to break above that previous high.
Hey Kevin, can you validate that on the Nasdaq? You pressed that button that basically conformed the contracts. Is that right?
Yeah.
Because I did that and I'm like 200 points less than you, but my S&P is matched directly with yours. So I'm not. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
So you have to change it on both charts, the settings. It's weird, but if you do it on the ES chart, you go settings, symbol, adjust for contract changes, you hit apply to all, and it'll do all the charts. But if you just do
And
okay,
that's what I did, but I'm doing something wrong. So let me.
huh? And you're sure you're just on the NQ1 and the ES one? Yo, Meta came right down to a key level and held it super nice. Look at this key level. 32873. Wick. Support, 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 support. That could have been a big clue for grabbing NASDAQ longs down here. Let's see, guys. Let's see if bulls want to take this now. Need that volume to step up a little bit. There we go, Apple. I like that. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, ES. Let's get it. Let's get it. I am in a couple longs on NASDAQ. I'm gonna say that and it'll flip on me. Now we're going back up.
Hey Kevin, I figured it out. I'm on MNQ, and for whatever difference, that's 200 off.
Oh, yeah. I know, it's weird, right? MNQ doesn't have the
What I couldn't
contract.
figure out last night, I was like, what's going on?
Yeah, weird stuff. I like Apple's pumping. I like Microsoft's pumping. What time is it? Got some time before the 15 closes. I might scalp out of this. Oh, maybe not. I like the 30-minute. Apple and Microsoft with some pretty strong buying strength.
Hey, Kevin, can you go through real quick? If you were to trade on this screen that we're watching, you right click.
Well, if I was trading on the screen we're watching, I would be doing trade panel. I would do like paper trader and I would hit the trade button. I'd be hitting buy and sell, like buy market, sell market. Or yeah, I would do a right click and I'd do sell limit or buy limit.
Yeah, when I right click, it doesn't give
You have your broker logged
me
in?
that. I have to go into trade and then do it. Yeah.
That's strange. I'm not sure. I have to get on a call with TradingView soon. He can email me back. He emailed me and Lucien.
You know, it's interesting because I'm able to trade on the computer, no problem with TradingView. But in some cases, and on my iPad I can do it, but not on my iPhone. So there's like certain applications, depending on what your platform, you
Yeah.
don't have access to it.
Come on, buyers. Let's get it. Let's run it up, buyers. Run it up, run it up. Run it up, run it up. New high a day, question mark? Can we get a new high a day? would be super cool. Nice, good pump. Nice Apple pump. Let's go. Go buyers. I like that. I like it. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. Huge. I'm going to look to get out into strength up here. Gives me one more pump, I'm out. Actually, I don't know. I really like that buying pressure. I want to see continuation. Apple pumping.
Kevin,
Let's
you
see.
don't ever like put a stop close by just in case it reverses on you? You're always just with your
I do
hand on
some
the
I usually do. I usually do. For the trades that are actually pre-planned and prepared, I will have stops put out.
Yeah, I like to, as far as locking in gains, I just have like a stop that's like at a, right now it's at the 50%, you know, of the last big
Right
bar
now
or
I'm
something.
just focusing on some small gains and some scalps because I'm trying to regrow this account. But before, like the past few weeks, I've been trading like just minis and I've just been going crazy. But I had a couple losses the past few days, so that's why I'm going a bit smaller lately. Like even today was a huge, great day because I took it slow. And look at this pump, guys. Look at that. Love it. Minute 53 left. I want to see Apple continue. Equity's getting that pullback. Yeah, we want to continue. Let's go. Let's go, ladies and gents. Huge, huge. Oh my god, saved this account today. Apple near new high today. I'm not going to risk it. I'm going to lock in gains up here in case we fail to get to the supply zone again. Unless Apple steps in and makes a new high a day. Ooh, it does look like it wants it. I'm moving that take profit. Yo, Apple's so close to new high a day. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Listen, that's good buying. That's good volume. I wouldn't be surprised if we kept going. But I do want to lock in these gains because, oh, Apple, so close. Come on, Apple. Yeah, I'm locking in gains up here. 095 is my exit. Oh, that's micros, though. So, like, literally right up here. And I'm out. Whew. Yo, guys, that just saved my account today. Thank goodness. That's how we do it here at Bullish Bears. We win, we win, we win. We take some losses, but what do? We bounce right back.
I scalped that.
Yes. Go Victoria. We might get another little 10-second pump here. Yeah, Apple near that new high a day. And guys, check out the 1 minute right now. Green, 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 green. We got the pump, we got the higher low, and then we got a pump. That was beautiful. Exactly what I was looking for on the 1 minute. Did not give me the 5-minute confirmation I was looking for, but I ended up grabbing the long entries over here. And look at that exit, guys. Nice. And the reason I got out over here before the supply zone, and again, if it hits the supply zone, great. I got the target right. A lot of people might be targeting the supply zone, or a lot of people might be targeting new high a day. And because a lot of people are targeting that, the market might want to either stop hunt first or might not even want to see it. Apple's near a new high a day, though. And if Apple cracks that, I'm going to grab back in these contracts. Yo, it's close. 195 even is Apple's new high a day. 195.01 is Apple's new high a day. Microsoft new high a day. And pumping. Oh, Apple. I'm gonna get back in these longs, guys. Because I like the 1 minute for a rally-based rally.
Yeah, Microsoft's at new high.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. And Apple's close to it too. So it's like, with that being said, but that also means we're coming into a lot of resistance. A lot of people are going to be selling up here. Microsoft's rejecting its high a day. Apple coming close to its new high a day.
ES is at the pivot point, and it's also the center line of the regression.
I don't like this trade anymore. Come on, Apple. Give it. Come on. One quick little pop, for old time's sake. Yo, Apple's close. Apples keep failing, though. Alright, I think we should get that pop shortly. Apple needs to see that new high today. It's keep failing. Nice, nice, nice. Jeez, let's go. Let's go, guys. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. Let's go. Keep it going, Apple. Come on, Apple. So close to new high today on Apple. Alright, I'm out of that long position because Apple's failing new high today. It's not even getting to new high today. Oh man, what an account saver today, though. Holy cow. We might get back in it. If Apple breaks that, I'm taking it. It's a penny away. It's 2 cents away. But it's a key psychological level. There's also a chance we break it and reject it. But it's struggling at 194.99 right now. Alright, ladies and gents, time is it? 10:58. Let's let this candle close. Oh, I like the strength in meta right now. But we're sort of rejecting this supply zone again. We have rejected it before.
Yeah, Nvidia, Netflix, and Tesla are all at higher day.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Bull City, baby.
When you guys talk about new high of days or new low of days or whatever, that's a signal that it could be rejecting that and going the other way.
No, it's sort of like an implement of, okay, we're making new high days, which means bulls are in control. Okay, we're making new low day, bears are in control. It can mean that bears might step in here if we make a new high day, and we do reject. But usually if we're making new highs, bulls are in control. New lows, bears are in control. That's about it. It depends on where the market's at.
Yeah, when I was studying the strat, they talk about whenever it's, well, at least when it's in a broadening formation, that it reaches exhaustion or something like that, and then goes in the other direction.
Yep, that can happen, absolutely. That's also another way to read the market. All these different types of styles and strategies that you guys read online and look up and YouTube and stuff, they're all applicable in their own ways, and a lot of them. So my whole thing is, if you're learning from somebody and they're just teaching you like indicators and stuff, be wary. Indicators don't move the market. But if you're learning from somebody and they're teaching you how volume moves the market, they're teaching you risk management, they're teaching you how to understand market context, higher highs, higher lows, are we trending, new high a day, new low a day, how to use the VIX, and actual real knowledge, real things you could use to do better in the market, that's what you got to go with. But everything online, ICT, supply and demand, they're all fair value gap, supply and demand. Those are two. It's crazy. The thing with, so I want to show you guys something. Value gap in ICT. It works like this. I'm going to show you guys a 15-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys what a fair value gap would have been. So we would have had a fair value gap. So we have this big rally candle right here. We would have had the fair value gap from this candle close, the high of this candle, and then the low of this candle. And now that was before these candles formed right over here. So pretend these candles, these three, are not there. So this would have been the fair value gap. ICT traders would have looked for us to re-enter this gap, maybe fill it to enter a trade, maybe enter the gap itself to enter a trade to reverse. Whereas supply and demand is a bit different. We look for the areas before it rallied, right? So we look for these candles because we know these candles have a lot of unfilled orders because we also filled so many orders so strong that it rallied us. So now because we have these unfilled orders, once we tap it, just like that, we're going to reverse and continue because we're filling those orders. That liquidity fills us. Just like fair value gap traders see this right here as liquidity. So it's all depends on what kind of strategy you're learning. Consistent back testing, consistent everything. Consistency is key no matter what strategy you're doing. Consistency and back testing. Okay, we're rejecting that supply zone. That was a great exit on that long position. Guys, check this out on Apple. Something I want to point out. So we have this key psychological level on Apple at 195. We rejected it here. We rejected it here and here. And we even rejected it yesterday here. So this 195 level is super, super strong. Look at this rejection. We would have been able to practically top tick the short position on NASDAQ for a quick what? Hold up, let's see. Probably 20-point scalp, I'd assume. 20 to 30 point move. I mean, in 4 or 5 minutes. Right, was that
30 points right there?
Yep, that's it. You just need that consistency. You need to wait. You need that confirmation. You need to know what you're doing, and just take your time with it, guys. Just take your time. Assess your trades. Assess your plans. Review your charts. Make sure you're not overcomplicating things. A lot of people try to overcomplicate trading. Trading is the hardest way to make easy money. I'm sure, Ironclad, have you heard that one before? It's like the hardest way to make easy money, right? Think about it. We could be sitting at our computers or at home or something, or we could even be trading on our phones, and we could make thousands, right? Realistically, we could make as much as we can, right? Right from our phones, right from our computers. But it's not that easy. You need to know where to buy, how much to buy, when to buy, where to sell, how much to sell, when to sell. There's so much more to it, yet the opportunities are endless.
If anyone knows of an easy way to make easy money, let me know.
Nowadays, no. All right, let's see if the selling wants to continue here.
And stay out of jail.
Stay out of jail.
Yeah, exactly.
What do you mean? You get a free room? You get...
Yeah, the roommates can be a little tough sometime.
Yeah, I like this continuation here, guys. I missed that on the 1 minute. This is drop, base, drop, but we might continue. So I'll be looking for a short position. Sometimes the roommates could be a little tough. Yeah, a little bit. It's fun to have fun. I'm waiting to grab shorts. I want to push back up for a sec. I might not take this short. I might just hold the profits from today. No reason to chase. Made my green back. Trying to make my green back. Three minutes on this 5 minute. Really no rush. Bouncing around right now. M pattern. Inverse Wu-Tang Clan. I'm just kidding. But will we range or will we break? There we go. Staying patient. Don't jump in. Don't jump in. It looks good. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I don't like this candle. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up soon. You guys got any questions? Please definitely let me know. Drop it in main chat. Hop into voice chat. Let me know. Just a heads up, though, to the group. When you want to type something, like if you don't want to talk but you want to answer me, type it in either Hangout or I'd prefer main chat. That way I see it because I keep main chat up. There's a little open chat in the live stream tab here. Don't do this one because a lot of times I miss these. I like the buying pressure on Meta right now is trying to push back higher. I'm gonna stay out of these though. Yeah, Apple with some buying pressure. Maybe we make, oh, maybe look, higher low, higher low, higher low. Maybe we make a higher low. Maybe, maybe, I don't know, boo-boo. Maybe we make a higher low. We'll keep a few options available. I don't know, boo-boo.
Is anybody that's listening using Trade-Evade? I've been looking for VWAP on there. I even sent them a message, but I don't know how to get them to respond either.
They don't have VWAP on Trade-Evade?
I can't find it.
If you go to the indicator tab, and then there should be like a volume based, and it should come under that.
Yeah, mine doesn't have it there.
That's weird. Do you need to update your Trade-Evade?
Try the adding the, you know where you get explore community indicators? Type it in there and see if you need to download it.
Yeah, the only thing I get whenever I type in VWAP there is some non-VWAP bands, things like that.
Try typing in volume weight and see if that brings it up. It'll give you like a anchored VWAP.
YouTube, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Discord, if you guys don't have any questions, I am going to be wrapping it up in just a moment. Great day trading with you guys. Got some good trades in. Would maybe look for a long position down here if we want to hold and make a higher low there.
Thanks, Victoria. That was it.
You got it?
Yeah, it looks like I found it.
Awesome. Good stuff. Thank you, Victoria. Good teamwork.
Anytime.
Love it. Love it. Love you guys. All right. Buyers keep trying to step in here. I wouldn't take any shorts here. I would wait for a long position setup. Personally, I'm going to add an alert right here. And if we chop around and then go back up, right, I'll add an alert down here too. Let's move this alert to right there. Or I'll move it a little above, so I'll get alerted before we hit it, so I have a chance to take my phone out and check to look for an entry. Alright, YouTube, have a fantastic day. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Hit that like and subscribe. Join our community, bullishbears.com. Take care and happy trading.